The primary muscles worked during the underhand grip, barbell bent over row are the lat muscles found on the back, with secondary involvement from the biceps. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and the barbell in front of you on the ground. Use an underhand grip, palms facing up, to grasp the barbell shoulder width apart. Bend at your hips and knees to lower your torso until it's almost parallel to the ground. Keep your back straight, chest up, and neck in neutral position. Your arms should be fully extended and the barbell should be hanging directly beneath your shoulders. Engage your core muscles to stabilize your spine and maintain a neutral back throughout the exercise. Exhale, then pull the barbell towards your lower chest by retracting your shoulder blades and bending your elbows, keeping your elbows close to your body as you pull. Avoid rounding your back or jerking the weight to prevent injury. Pause for a moment at the top of the movement, squeezing your back muscles to maximize contraction. Inhale, then slowly lower the barbell back down towards the starting position in a controlled manner while keeping tension on your back muscles throughout the lowering phase. Focus on using your back muscles to perform the movement rather than relying on momentum. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.